$250 profit within few hours of trading, and from $2,000 investment into this account, we are presently at $107,000 of equity within 15 months of trading. Very soon we are going to be entering the number 16th month of trading into this account. This is a net profit of about $105,300 of profit within 15 months of trading into this account, and you can start trading with this EA with an equity of only $100, and by the power of compounding, you can take it to $100,000, or why not more. As we said in our other videos, we aim at taking this account to $1 million. So make sure you like this video and subscribe as we all take this account to $1 million together. Now let's check on the various trades that have been opened by this robot. This robot has a very high win rate, which is something very good. We coded this robot with 4 different strategies, and all of these strategies are trend following strategies. That is why our win rate is so high. We are only at 8 a.m. this morning and we are already at $258 of profit. Last week we made a very nice profit, more than $4,000 profit within a week, which is amazing. And that is how we aim at taking this account to $1 million. Notice that we are trading with a fixed lot size. As the equity of this account grows, we keep increasing the lot size, and in the download file you are going to receive, you are going to have all instructions on how to set up the robot. The robot also comes with a video installation guide. If you have any challenge to install the robot, you can reach out to us, and we are going to be there to assist you to set up the robot and be sure that you are also making profit. You can start even with an equity of only $100. If someone has started with us 15 months ago with only $100 of equity, presently he should be at close to $5,300 of equity within 15 months, which is a very huge return with a minimal investment. Now, if there are only 3 things we are proud of about this robot, number 1 is the high win rate, and we are going to check the various trades opened by the robot so far this morning. Let's scroll down and check. First of all, let's see. So far the robot have already opened again 1 trade. This is the trade, and as you can see, every trade is open with a stop loss and there's take profit, which is something very good because the stop loss secures your equity. It protects you from news events. And now if there's a news event, for example, if a news event occurred at the moment, we are going to lost only a small portion of our equity because the trades running are going to hit our stop loss, which is something good. So number 1 thing that we are proud of about this robot is security. As you can see, every trade has a stop loss and a take profit, and in the parameters you can also set up the maximum number of trades that the robot can open at once. And number 2 is a high win rate, and we are going to check the trade together. Let's scroll down. This is the first losing trade of the day. As you can see, look at the value of the losing trade, even very minimal. Each trade has a stop loss and a take profit, and there's a trailing stop to secure every bit of profit you make out of the market. This is the first losing trade. Let's continue to scroll down. Even whenever we have some losing trades, the values are small. Look, this is the second losing trade, and this is the 3rd losing trade. The name of this robot is Pro Master EA, one of the best scalping robot you may have out there. Let's continue to scroll down. Amazing. Almost everything is blue. I think we've had only 3 losing trades out of I think 79 trades open so far this morning. Therefore you can calculate the win rate by yourself. Very high win rate with this robot. Imagine a robot that opens every trade with a stop loss and winning 75 trades out of 78. This is amazing. This is to tell you how powerful this robot is. As I said, all the strategies coded into this robot are trend following strategies. We coded this robot with 4 different strategies that are all trend following strategies, and there are also 3 exit strategies. For example, if I open this trade, for example, let me open 3 description. Now let's check on something. you will see that this trade hit our take profit. That's why in the bracket you will see TP. This one hit our stop loss, you will see SL. But this one, there is no comment what happened, meaning there is another exit strategy that was used to exit this trade, even though it was exit into profit, which is something very amazing. So this is how you can evaluate the high win rate of this robot. Look at the trade by yourself. Look, the losses are very minimal. This is a very sophisticated robot that everyone can use to start making robot out of the financial market. When you have this robot, you don't need to be looking on chart every day. You don't need to be monitoring candlesticks or whatever. You don't need to be drawing support and resistance or trend lines. The robot does all the work for you, and you just wake up with money into your account. Imagine we are only at 8 a.m. and we have already made $250 profit. This is money made overnight. This is money made while sleeping. Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while sleeping, you are going to work all the days of your life. And one thing good is that you can also use this robot to pass the challenge on various prop firms, be it my forex fund or FTMO. You can pass this prop firms challenges. We've passed 4 different prop firms challenges so far with this robot because it respects all the rules. It has a very low drawdown. Each time we give you guys updates about this robot, we always make sure we show you the running trade so that you see the low drawdown it has. I said I've named 3 things already. I said number 1, it has security. Number 2, it has a high win rate, and number 3, it has a low drawdown. These are the 3 things that makes us proud about this robot, which is something very amazing. And so far we've not yet launched this robot officially, and we are planning to launch this robot very soon. And the good news is that instead of $970, you can get a copy now at $149 and start making money out of the financial market starting from today. And when you purchase the robot, make sure you have any challenge, send us a message, and we are going to be there to assist you to set up the robot and be sure that you are also making profit. Now, let's say you have a $10,000 funded account with my forex fund. At the month end, after profit split, with this robot you can be making like $700 to $1,000, which is something very amazing. This robot can be a very good source of passive income for you. Nice profit so far, amazing. Now we are not going to make this video very long, so we are going to cut this video. And make sure you like this video, subscribe, as we take this account to $1 million altogether. Bye for now. See you in our other videos. Ciao. As you can see, some of the running trade have closed into profit, which is amazing. See how in front of your eyes we keep making more profit with this robot. From $250 we are already at $253 profit in front of your eyes. This is how consistent this robot can be. And most often, trades opened by this robot will not last for long into the market because the stop loss is tight, the take profit is tight, meaning trade will not last for long. That is why we recommend using a broker with very tight spread. You must not change your broker when you want to use this robot. You can use the same broker, but make sure it has very tight spread. In this video description, there are 2 brokers we do recommend, but if you have any broker with low spread, you can use it. And make sure you get a copy of this robot at only $149 and start making money out of the financial market, because when we officially launch, many of you are not going to be able to get a copy of this. So take advantage of this moment. We hired someone on Fiverr to build a website for us, and we believe that a few weeks from now we are going to officially launch this robot, and it is going to be difficult for many of you to be able to get a copy. So take advantage of this moment and buy a copy. Visit this video description and get a copy of this robot and start making money too. Bye for now. See you in other videos.